On to this. So the defense in the VBS Mutual Bank collapse says it's willing to go all the way to the Constitutional Court. 13 people, including former CEO Andile Ramavhunga and ANC Limpopo Treasurer Danny Msiza, face 180 charges, including fraud and racketeering, after over 2 billion rand was wiped from the institution in 2018. Business reporter Ntokozo Khumalo has more.
The state in November brought an application requisition for reservation of questions of law for consideration by the Supreme Court of Appeals. This after Judge Peter Mabuse granted former VBS CEO Andile Ramavhunga and former ANC Limpopo Treasurer Danny Msiza a separate trial from the other accused. This resulted in previous delays.
I can place on record that the state in the meantime petitioned that to the SCA. Our submission is that the order is suspended up until the SCA pronounce on it.
The defense pushed back, calling the appeal another delay tactic.
We've asked for reconsideration. We've submitted a reconsideration application to the SCA, which we filed within the prescribed period. The copy was served on the state, and we yet to have any determination in that regard. But I can assure His Lordship that my instructions are, should we not succeed in the SCA, then my instructions are to approach the Constitutional Court.
The state proposed a date at the end of May, but the judge alluded to being away on break, while the defense argued that it's becoming too cumbersome for clients to continue coming to court due to postponements.
The financial burden on my clients, we know there's nothing happening. Just to bring my clients to court in May, knowing full well it's not going to take the matter further. If there's other applications in the interim, so be it. We're not part of that. We stand separated.
The VBS Shareholders Forum has closely been monitoring developments in court as well as the collections made by liquidators. Its secretary says depositors are more concerned about the money being paid back faster rather than the number of arrests made in this case. The forum cautions that while it's encouraging that depositors are getting 20 rand for every 100 rand, a jump from the initial 7 rand, many are still out of pocket.
This doesn't apply to people who were shareholders. There are people who bought shares. They were not given any cent until to date. So I believe because the prudent authority is not talking to us, when we ask them to give us the information, they said they are answerable to the Reserve Bank.
The forum says it remains focused on getting money back and reviving the institution.
The bank survived for many years. You calculate the years that the bank has been surviving without any problem, vis-a-vis the years of looting, then you will see a huge difference.
The case has been postponed to the 18th of August. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Ntokozo Khumalo in Pretoria.